Right, red cabbage my way. Right, you'll need a red cabbage, you'll need a big pan for cooking it in, you'll need one medium-sized brown onion, you'll need an apple, some cinnamon quills, you just need one cinnamon quill, and you'll need some salt. I've got some Himalayan rose pink salt here. You'll need some cider vinegar, and you'll need some sugar. I use this brown sugar. Right, let's get started. First of all, I've got to get all this lot chopped up. Okay, I've got that all into my pot, and I'm going to throw in about half a quill of cinnamon, a teaspoon of salt, a generous teaspoon of salt, maybe a little bit more, a teaspoon and a half of salt for that size cabbage, a couple of spoonfuls of, I'm putting in cider vinegar because it works rather well with the apples and the cabbage, but you can use any vinegar you like, so there's a couple of those. And the same of sugar, a couple of those. Okay, into that is going 600 mils, which is, what is that in the old money? 600 millilitres is 24 ounces of water. Okay, other spices you can add to it is pumpkin spice works rather well with it, as does British mixed spice, which is a cakey sort of sweet spice mix. That works rather well with it, and depending on the season, you know, you cook it how you fancy for that time. So all we're waiting for now is for that to come up to the boil, and then we turn it down to a simmer for about half an hour, just to mix everything together nicely. 600 mils of water doesn't seem like an awful lot, but you've got to bear in mind that this is cabbage, and it will boil down to around about half that volume, but we shall see. So as it's coming up to the boil, just give it a quick stir and mix in all those ingredients. Smells wonderful already. And now once it's boiling, just cover that with a tight lid and turn it down to a fast simmer. Right, it's been going for about half an hour at a fast simmer like that, and now I can just turn it off. I know it's going to be good, but I'm just going to give it a taste. That's perfect. Slightly sweet, slightly sour, and with those lovely warm spicy flavours in it. Delicious. This goes as a great side for Christmas dinner, all sorts of things like that. Thanksgiving, really nice. Particularly good with sausages, believe it or not. I really enjoy this with just some fried sausages. So it's worth giving a try. Okay, thanks for watching. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you would like to follow my channel, please subscribe, and be sure to click the bell icon to receive notification of all my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.